Do you use Airtable to manage projects? Well, in this video, I want to show you how you can add records to Airtable without being in Airtable. In fact, you can be anywhere else on your computer, press a button, and then paste in the contextual information that you need and have it automatically generate Airtable, saving you 1 to 5 minutes, depending upon how long it takes you to add those records normally. So if that's of interest, stick around. That's what we'll be talking about. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I am the owner of Boolean Automation, where we free you up to do what you love. We do that specifically for painting companies and other home service businesses. But if you're a painting company, we've got a course, an automation consulting, we've got a review software, many things to help streamline your business. If you're not a painting company, you probably can still get a lot of value from the videos that we produce. So consider liking and subscribing. And check out the links down below for more information on Boolean. Thanks so much for watching. All right, so today what I'm going to do, or the problem I'm going to solve for myself is, so I have this YouTube channel and I have a Airtable document that I use to manage all of my production and planning around the video so that my team can know which videos to edit next and all that stuff. So I'm not going to go into how this particular Airtable works or like how I'm structured it, but I do want to show you that I'm going to add a new record based on completing the video in Riverside. So I use Riverside to record all my content. So here's a bunch of content that I recorded. I'm actually currently recording the most recent video right here, but I wanted to show how could I add this Fly account setup from scratch in less than 2 minutes to the Airtable base. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into Ply. I'm going to click New Feature. So I want to create this as a tool so I can access it from anywhere, and we're going to launch it from the command bar. And this is the command text. So I'm going to say add new automation YouTube video record to Airtable content management. All right, so that's what I'm going to call this one. And the command icon, this one, click create. All right, so the first thing that's going to happen is I want it to pull up a dialog box. So I'm going to put an interface in here. And the interface, enter details about your recording, and we're going to add in a block. So this is going to be a text input block. This first one, we are going to have it be called Riverside recording URL. And the next one here that we're going to do is text input, and this will be the video title. And the last one would be any recording notes. I'm going to go ahead and click run to create test example. So in this case, I'm just going to use the actual data that I need to for this. And I'm going to go back to, and this one actually was a test one that I'm going to be deleting. So I'll go ahead and use this one. But I just grab the share link and I go over here and paste in that URL. Then the video title is going to be YouTube example, auto add to Airtable, no notes. Done. All right, so we have that successfully added. And then here we want to add in the Airtable step. So we click Airtable and we're going to create a record, and the account that we will use is my Airtable account. Now it's asking access to Airtable, so we're going to add a base. We want to use the Boolean content management system, grant access, and we save that. All right, so now I'm going to go to the next step here. The base ID is the Boolean content management. The table ID that we want to use, it will refresh from my table, and I'm putting it into video and episodes. And then all these, I know that I will be doing, I've already recorded it because that's why I have all the information. This is going to be for the Boolean automation YouTube. The title is going to be from this step. I'm going to take the video title, recording notes. I will put in the recording notes and the recording URL, and the type is going to be automation YouTube. The recording date, I want this to be, so that's all the information that I need here. I'm going to go ahead and click test step. And if I go over here, we should see that there is a new YouTube example auto add to Airtable. There it is. And it also added my title, no notes on the recording. There it is. So I just created a simple one. Now we're going to actually see how this works. So I'm going to publish this. So I publish this, and now if I'm on Riverside, the way that I would actually functionally use this is I'm going to copy my recording link, and then I'm going to click Command Shift K, and my little action here, add new automation video. It's going to pull up the dialog box. I would paste in the recording URL, second YouTube auto example. This is pretty cool. I click done. Go check my base, and there is the second YouTube example put in right there. It has the recording date in here as well, which is today. So pretty awesome. That is a super simple example of setting up Ply to auto add records to Airtable. You can think about this for broad use cases. Depending on what you're using Airtable for, you could be on a website and you could be looking at a YouTube channel. Like from the Boolean automation channel, maybe you want to save something, so you Command Shift K and you click your button. You paste in the YouTube video URL, Boolean automation YouTube channel, and click done. So pretty awesome how this can be leveraged and save you a bunch of time. So hopefully that was valuable. If it was, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time on Boolean, where we free you up to do what you love.